What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Koa and you're watching Koa Kicks. In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and a review of the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. Coming right up. Alright, welcome back guys. As you can see here, I got a pair of boxes. Of course, in here is the Yeezy 350 V2 in the new Carbon colorway. Now these joints dropped on Friday, October 2nd. For a retail price of $220. They dropped on the Adidas app as well as the foot sites. It seems like they dropped just about with every major sneaker retailer. I was fortunate enough to actually cop two pairs. Hit one on the Adidas raffle and the other one I got from Dick's Sporting Goods. So let's go ahead and unbox these and take a look. As you can see, here we have the standard Yeezy box with the 350 on the front, as well as the Boost branding on the bottom of the box. Over here we have the size tag. I have a US size 9, Yeezy Boost 350 V2, and the colorway on this actually still says Azrael. For those of you who don't know, this colorway was originally called the Yeezy 350 V2 Azrael colorway. Last minute it got changed, but I'm guessing all of the labels had already been printed. So instead of getting a label that says Carbon, it still has the original colorway title Azrael on here. So let's go ahead and open up the box, see what's inside. You have that standard Yeezy slide drawer, real tissue paper, and here they are. Alright guys, so here it is. Here we have the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon colorway. And my first impressions right out of the box is that it looks a little different from what I saw online, what I thought initially. It is a little bit of a lighter colorway than what I thought it was. I thought it was going to be a dark black kind of color. It is a nice color though. It is a nice color. I think this is definitely a shoe that will turn heads. Of course, you've got this milky colored cream sole, which is nice. It's not quite white. Has that kind of vintage look, a little bit worn in, so it won't get so dirty. You've got this upper Primeknit material, all different colors from blacks to blues and grays, maybe even a little bit of whites in here as well, or cream. And then of course you have this new infinity lacing system, which is standard on most Yeezys nowadays. I'm not sure if I'll go ahead and keep those on there or not. It does come with a pair of standard laces in case you do want to remove the lacing system. However, you will have to cut the laces off if you want to replace them. But enough about talking about the shoe. Let's go ahead and get some on-feet look at these. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comment section down below, is this a must-cop Yeezy colorway for you? Or is the 350 V2 an oversaturated silhouette? For me personally, this is definitely a must-keep. It's going to be a personal for me. I'm going to get a ton of wear out of these. I just love how different it looks from other Yeezy 350 V2s. Love the contrast between the sole and the upper. I think that's something that we don't normally get with the Yeezy 350 V2. And I personally think that this is a very easy colorway to wear. It goes with a lot of different things. Anyways, thanks again for joining me. My name is Cole and you've been watching Koa Kicks. Until next time, I'll see you later.